Hello everyone, welcome on the channel Coach Abhishrev, and today we are going to discuss about some topics which are essential in our life. So you are a student of an entrepreneurship, management, or even from any stream, you are not from the financial background, and still you want to do your business, you want to run your own business, or even you don't want to run your business, but still when you go in the corporate, you have to be aware about those financial terms which are required in management, in business, in marketing. So the first term is capital. Yes, capital. I am aware and I am sure that you have heard about the term capital. Well, generally we say capital is whatever the money we introduce in the business, that is capital. So capital is what? Capital is money, but from the perspective of the business, finance. Capital means whatever is required for the operational activities, whatever is required for the financial activities, that is known as capital. And there are three types of capitals. Number one, equity capital. Number two, debt capital. And number three is working capital. All type of capital are essential, and it depends on the business which type of capital they want to manage in their business. Now let's talk about one by one about those capital. Now number one, that is debt capital. A business have to acquire the capital, and for that they can require and manage the capital through the assumptions of debt. A debt capital can be acquired through the assumptions of debt, and it can be acquired through the private sources and the government sources. Now, what are private and government sources? A business can manage the debt, the capital, through friends, through relatives, through private companies, banking sectors, financial institutions, and others. So this is debt capital. We have to repay the interest on that. Second is equity capital. Equity capital comes in two forms. One is the private equity capital and the public equity capital. Both the public equity and the private equity comes in the form of shares. We have to learn the word shares, and I know that you are aware about the word shares. So private equity and public equity can be raised in terms of shares, but what is the difference? The difference is when the company is listed on the public exchange board, then only we can raise the public equity. It can raise through the public in the form of shares, but the private equity can't be raised through the public because the company is not listed. In private equity, we manage the funds through investors and even by the owner. Now the third one is working capital. But working capital is required in every business. Working capital means you have to run your business, and to run your business for daily operations, whatever the money you need, that is working capital. Working capital measures on a daily basis. The formula of working capital is current assets minus current liabilities. Well, we have discussed about current assets and current liabilities in our previous videos. Working capital is required to run a business, and if the working capital is short, then the business can suffer a lot of problems. Even due to mismanagement of working capital, a lot of businesses face huge losses. So we have to calculate working capital on daily basis. Now the next important term is depreciation. Yes, my dear friends, depreciation. Generally when we talk about the word depreciation, it means what? It means depreciate the value of the product. Now, so the depreciation is defined as the reduction of a recorded cost of a fixed assets in a systematic manner until the value of the product is zero or negligible. Means every year, due to the uses of the product, due to the uses of the fixed assets, the value of the fixed assets decrease, and until it becomes zero or negligible, we use depreciation. Only land is the exception. Land is the exception is there, because every year the value of the land appreciates. Now the question is, what are fixed assets? When we talk about the plant, machinery, land, building, furniture, these all are the fixed assets. Car, these all are the fixed assets. And due to the wear and tear of the parts of the machinery, due to the uses of car, trucks, the value of that depreciate, decrease every year, and that is known as depreciation. As per the accounting principles, we have to depreciate and we have to use depreciation every year. Now let's take an example. For example, a company is having a delivery vehicle. The cost of the vehicle is 5 lakh rupees, and every year we use 10,000 as a depreciation. Then after some time, the value of the machine, the value of the delivery truck will become zero, and that is depreciation. Depreciation is a very important concept, and we have to be aware how to use and how to apply depreciation at the time of business. Well, I hope you have understood two concepts today in this video. Number one, capital and the types, and number two, depreciation. If you are having any doubt, please comment and ask. I will love to answer your queries. एंड इसी के साथ कहना चाहूँगा, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड सीखते रहिए, क्योंकि सीखना ज़रूरी है. हैव अ गुड डे.